Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone. Install Termux and grant storage access so files are reachable. Once installed, open Termux and run pkg update and an pkg upgrade to get current packages. This avoids dependency errors. Next, install OpenSH and any tools you need, because SSH gives remote command control and core Unix utilities let you run scripts. Make sure Termux API is added if you want clipboard or file integration. And then we move into configuring keys and connectivity. Once Termux has packages, you configure secure access. You generate an ed 25519 key with SSH keygen T ed 25519 because it's secure and fast. Choose a passphrase if the device is shared. Then copy your public key to the target machine using SSH copy ID user at host or paste the key into ~SSH/authorized keys manually. After that, start the SSHD daemon with SSHD and verify the listening port using SSTLM. Now you connect and execute. Use SSH port user at host, then run commands, start services, or edit files with Roman 6 or Nano. To automate, create shell scripts and run them with Crony or Termux, widget for scheduled tasks. If something fails, diagnose promptly. Check ~. SSH logs, inspect daemon status, and run SSHV for verbose output to see handshake errors. Make sure ~. SSH and authorized keys have correct permissions. If permissions are wrong, SSH will refuse the key, so fix them and retry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.